Today's video takes us to another online tool. This online tool is called Seesaw. So we're going to go in, put in our information and get ready. So I already signed up my account. So I'm just going to go ahead, put in my password and create my teacher account. Now, once you have done that, it takes you directly to the home page for Seesaw. Now, when you go to Seesaw, it provides you information on the different activities that you can do. So the first thing is that we can assign our students. So we add our students to our class and we can also add families. Now this online tool is great because many times we want our parents to be involved in what is happening in the classroom. Sometimes they cannot physically be there. So the Seesaw allows your parents to take part, be a part of your classroom. So you can actually send message, have conferences with your parents. Now we want to add whatever activities or we are going to be creating announcements. So we click on the plus button here. If we want to send an announcement, we click on send announcement. We choose who do we want to send announcement to. So we want to send it to all students and you want to give them the announcement. And then I send my announcement. So I click send and my announcement would have been sent to all of my students. So they would have get the announcement and the message is also stored in my message box. So once I have done that, my next step is I'm going to be assigning activity. So I'm going to be assigning activity to my students. So I'm going to, when I assign my activity, I can send it to the students and I can also send it to the family's account. Now, once I send it to the students, all students will get the same information. But I can choose now to see which family I'm actually going to be sending the activity to. Now, similar to Google Classroom and Moodles and the others that we are using, we go and we create a blank page. So we're going to create a new activity. So we select a blank page. Now, the first step is give your activity a name. So I'm going to give my activity name. So I give my activity name. Now I'm going to give my students the instruction. Once I type, I can also go ahead and voice the instruction for my different types of learners. Use the verbs from the story to create a poem, story, song, or write a letter. So once I record the instruction, students know that they can click. Once it goes straight to their classroom, they click on it to hear the recording of the instruction. Use the verbs from So once I have done that, I am going to save. So I'm actually saving my activity. Now, once I save my activity, it automatically goes straight to my library and it is stored there. Now, once it is stored there, I can always go and I'm going to assign my activity. So I'm going to assign my activity. So I'm going to assign my activity to class 1. So I click assign. this activity is now assigned to my students in my class. So the students can go ahead and complete the activity based on the lesson that would have been posted in the classroom already. So this is a great tool that can be used. And if we want more, if we want to edit the activity, if we want to print the activity, if we want to share it, if we want to copy the activity, it gives us an options as to what we can do to the activity. So once this is assigned to the students would automatically go in, complete their assignment and post it. Now I can create a collection. So I can create a library. So whenever I need activities, I can just go in my collection, search for whatever activity I need. Now I can go back to class. Now, once I go back to class, I go in my inbox, all my activities that I've created automatically is also stored there. Now, once you send it, you wait. It tells you the date that you assign it. It gives you information as to the template that was attached for the students to complete the assignment and post it back to you. So this is a great online tool that we can use with our class. I hope that we find some time, go through and use these with our students to make learning fun. Thank you.